Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. So I purchased something from the Choo sale a couple days ago, and today I am gonna do the unboxing video on my Choo purchase. So there was a Choo sales going on, and I booked an appointment to go into the store, and I was able to come home with something really nice and special, and I am absolutely in love with this. And on top of it, I got it at a sale price, so I just feel really good about my purchase actually. So here it is, the unboxing for the Choo purchase. I went to the Choo sale. I was looking for a pair of shoes actually. I really like Choo shoes, and they're really famous for their shoe. So I was like, oh, they have a sale, I should go and check it out. So I booked an appointment, and I was there all by myself. The whole store, I have the whole store to myself actually. It just feels really good. And to be honest, they have tons of shoes going on sale, but I didn't like any of it. I just feel like, okay, so some of the shoes, they just have a little bit of too much of a designs going on, so it's look really busy. And then the other pair of shoes, it just looked really uncomfortable. I just can't agree on any of the shoes in the store that day. So, but I was agreed on the handbag selection that they have. So they have a lot of handbag go on sale, and their handbags are actually really cute. I have never really drawn to their handbag before. If I want to buy handbag, I have tons of all the brands that I want to go for instead of Choo actually, and I just never think to myself that one day I'm gonna purchase a real handbag from their website from their store. But while I was there, I was able to try on so many different handbags, and this handbag right here, so it's called Beneath let me take a look real quick. Okay, so it's called Vereen actually. Yep, so it's called Vereen, and when I saw it, I was actually, this is the bag that caught my attention when I first get into the store, I look at it right away because I think lately I am into the crop emboss, and I just like the shiny material. It just looks so stand out on top of everything else in the store. This bag just stand out to me, and also it just looked like really good craftsmanship. And also they just pay so much attention to the Jimmy Choo design. The embosses, the logo, and even the stitches are so nice, and all of the hardwares are like really good materials. And also the design to the back, I like structured back, and I can totally feel like this bag is one of the bags that I could throw up and down and I won't be able to destroy it. Actually, this bag will last forever. That's what I feel like. And also I really like, does it have a back pocket so that I can put my phone in there for the easy access. And inside of the bag is super roomy. I just love how roomy it looks. And you see they pay attention to all the tiny detail. So I just really like that. The only thing I don't like about this bag is the strap. So you see that this bag is look just really dressy looking bag, but then the strap make it so casually looking. It is making up really nice leather. So this is embosses calfskin. So when I carry it, it actually feels really comfortable, super comfortable to be honest. But the look of it, I do not like how thick they are, and it's so stiff. So when I saw this bag, the only thing that made me don't want to get it is the strap. And the sales associate tell me that the strap could be removed actually. So if I don't like the strap, I could always remove it and try a different strap for it. So that's why I go ahead and dive in for the bag. And a good thing about this bag, so I get it at 40% off. So I got it for $657. So I love the magnetic closure as well, so make it easier to get in and out of the bag. I love the back pocket for easy access, and I really love nice and thick material that look like expensive, right? It is an expensive brand. So overall, I rated Jimmy Choo handbag as a 5-star, to be honest. They have good design, they have good materials, and they have good price point. What else could you ask for a designer handbag? So like I say, I did not like the strap of this bag, so I went home and I actually ordered a bunch of different straps that I could put on this bag and make it into something else. So I scored something special during the Jimmy Choo sales. I went in looking for a pair of shoes, but I go home with a handbag instead. I have never looked at Jimmy Choo handbag before, maybe because there was not a lot on social media, not a lot of people talking about it, not a lot of people wearing it, or maybe they were just so, you know, popular with their shoes, so people just overlooked their handbag selections. But I am totally changing my mind at this point, because after the trip to the store, I see tons and tons of different style of handbag that I could totally like falling in love with, and I was able to go home with something really special. And also I think that Jimmy Choo, they price their handbag really well, so their handbag are such a good quality but for such a good price. So now that comparing Jimmy Choo to like other brands, I feel like, oh my god, their price are just so much cheaper, but their materials are the same and their designs are stunning, to be honest. So I will absolutely purchasing from Jimmy Choo handbag selection again in the future if there is another handbag that I am falling in love with, just like how much I have been falling in love with my handbag just now. And also I don't like the strap that's come with it, so that's why I order myself the chin strap from Amazon. So this is from Amazon. It's just really thick and heavy, so it doesn't feel like some cheap material. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description box down below, and I feel like this kind of chin strap will go well with a lot of other handbags. I will definitely try it out with all of my other handbags for sure. And also I got a little chin strap again for the top handle. I love to have my bag a top handle style, and I love a classy shoulder style as well. So I feel like this handbag had it all for me right now. And again, I pay, you know, around $700 after tax. So I just feel like I feel so good that I got something like so expensive looking for such a bargain price. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys again in my next video. If you haven't done so, please consider to hit like and subscribe to this video. Mwah! I will see you guys again in my next video.